Well, my left light went out, the low beam. That's this one here, high beam is here. So I have to take this apart. First Phillips to take off, we'll take this off. And then I have to take this off, and it looks like there's just two there Phillips. You can maybe take them off. Yeah, you're gonna need a Phillips. And then this top part will come off. Okay, those are off. I don't want to break anything here. There's probably clips on the other side. Yes, there was clips. These clips holding it in place. And they did not get damaged, so they should pop right back on. As you can see, so the bottom one had clips, and I broke the one. Hopefully it'll still go back on. These ones are still intact, I believe. So yeah, it should still, even though the one's broke, it should still hold when I put it back. I have no idea how to avoid breaking that when you take it off, because it's hard. So I don't know what to tell you, just good luck. Now the headlight should come off. There's a bolt here, a bolt here, I believe are the ones that I'm looking for, and one right up here on top. These are 10mm nuts, bolts. Okay, now it's loose and it should come right out. Okay, here's the new one. By the way, I got this at Walmart for $20. At the auto store it was more. It's an H7, and there was a more expensive one. It's supposed to be brighter light, but I don't need that. This H7 will fit, I believe it was Promasters between 2014 and 2019. I have a 2018. Okay, with that cover off, you're going to need a torque bit number 15, I believe, and you're going to need an extension on your socket wrench because it's pretty far down in there. Just as I suspected, which is the problem with some of these, is you wiggle it or you move it and it comes on, because this is a good bulb. So I bought, well, I'll probably need it someday, but this bulb is good. I'm just gonna take it off and clean the contacts inside there. Maybe that'll help keep it on. But yeah, jiggling these lights, I guess we'll get them working again. One thing to watch out for when you take these apart is that the bulb deflector that's inside there may fall inside your lens. It's easy to fish out, it's just annoying. So I'm gonna go down in there and see if I can get it out. You can see. Oh, I gotta put my camera down and do it. So there you go, it works. Till the next time it decides to go out and I have to take this all apart again. I don't mind doing it, taking it apart. It's just I don't want to break any of these clips and then have a problem someday. So I got an extra bulb just in case I need it. So put it back together.